Good afternoon, Pottinger's class. Good afternoon. Today we finish factors and greatest common factors. Can you find factors and greatest common factors? Yes. All right, here we go. A factor is a number that goes blank into another number. What's that blank? 3. 3 times 2 equals 6, right? Yes. The product of 3 times 2 equals 6 is what? 6. 3 and 2 are factors of 6 because 2 goes nicely into 6. How many times? 3. 3 goes nicely into 6. How many times? 2. So we have a pair of numbers that go nicely into 6, right? Yes. We call those pair of numbers factor pairs because they can multiply together to get another or to get a product. GCF stands for what? A greatest common factor would be the biggest factor that 2 or more numbers have in common. Yes. Smiley face method. You ready for this? Yes. Okay, so here's the number I give you, 12. We're going to find all the factors of 12 by using this smiley face method. First thing we do is we create a and we name it. What do we name it? 12. We name it whatever the number is we're finding, right? Yes. What is a factor that goes into literally every single whole number? 1. So 1 partners up with what? 12. To give you your first 2 factors, right? It gives you your smallest factor and your biggest factor, yes? Yes. Then after we do 1, we check 2. Why do we know 2 works? Because 2 goes into every even number. 12's an even number and 2 goes into even numbers, right? What's 2's buddy? 6. So we list its buddy. Then we check 3. Does 3 work? Yes. With what buddy? 4. 3 times 4 is 12? Yes. So next number we would try is 4, but we already have it listed, so we know we're done now, right? Yes. So if I asked you to list all of the factors of 12 in numerical order, you would start with 1 and end with 12 and draw a smiley face, yes? Yes. Tell me all the numbers starting with 1 all the way to 12. Go. Perfect. And there they all are listed in numerical order. Now, sometimes you need to find the greatest common factor of 2 numbers. So here's 12 again. We did that one, right? Yes. 28, we drew a T chart. We named it 28. We found all the factors of 28. It's done for you already, yes? Yes. In order to find all of the common factors, we need to circle the factors that they have in common. So does 12 and 28 have one as a factor? Yes. So we circle it. Do we have to do this? Yes, you have to. Does 2 go into both 12 and 28? Yes. Circle it. Does 3? No, 3 only goes into 12. It does not go into 28, so we cross it off, yes? Does 4 go into 12 and 28? Yes. Circle it. Does 6? Yes. No, it only goes into 12. It does not go into 28. Does 12 go into 12 and 28? No. Cross it off. Now, we did have these numbers left. We just double checked to make sure 7, 14, and 28 don't work. 28 for sure can't go into 12 because it's bigger than 12, right? Yes. So the biggest number that we have circled is? 4. So what's the GCF? 4. GCF is what again? 4. Greatest common factor, which in this case was a 4.